Do you want to know how you can add Dropbox to your file explorer? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add Dropbox to your file explorer. So let's go ahead and start the video. The first thing you want to do is go to the search bar and search for Dropbox download. So go ahead and click on the first link. Click on open the Dropbox app. So if you have already installed it, you can see the Dropbox icon over here. So once you have installed it, you can see the folder option over here. You can just go ahead and click on this folder and the Dropbox will open on your file explorer. Now you can see that this is your Dropbox folder. You can go ahead and copy and paste these types of items over here. So let's suppose I want to paste this over here in my Dropbox. So I'll just go ahead and copy these. So if the permission is not given, you can go to the settings over here, or if you want to access the web version of it, you can click on this icon over here and you can constantly access the version over here. And if you go to Dropbox and go to your profile, you can see your preferences, you can manage your hard disks or hard drive space, and you can also view the sync issues as well. So if you want to quit, you can quit as well. But if you want to go to your folder, you can see that this is the folder for you. Now you can see that I had pasted something here, so you can do that as well. And you can remove the things from your Dropbox folder. You can see that all of these items are there on your cloud and your PC, which is your file explorer over here as well. So guys, this is how you access Dropbox on your file explorer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.